Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Five of Pentacles, Devil in reverse, and Ace of Wands. So Aquarius, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your personal life. You are making a lot of effort, struggling really hard, maybe trying, doing your best, using all your skills and talents. But no matter what you do not see a positive outcome or positive change or some circumstances clearing up. So there are some things confusing or there are some troubles in this relationship or in your work situation. So you are trying hard to change all that, but you are unable to change that, guys. So maybe for some of you, I see that you are suffering from some kind of an obsession or a weakness, maybe some habits, bad habits like drinking or smoking, and you are trying your best to control, but you are unable to do it, and you feel powerless to change the way things are. And though you have a person, though you have love towards them and a level of understanding, there may be lot of misunderstandings with this person, lot of troubles maybe, because they do not understand you or they do not understand your ways or what you are doing. Some confusions are there. The reasons may be because of these addictions that you have. And whatever it is, however hard you are trying, you are unable to overcome, and this person does not understand you and they feel really bad to be with you going through all these troubles. But however hard you are trying, you are unable to overcome these addictions and you are unable to change yourself, guys. Maybe that may be the reason they want to give up on you, guys, maybe. So you may feel their energy, maybe they are at the end of their patience, maybe they have waited for so long for you, and today they do not see something worth to hold on, to wait for you, and they want to give up on this love or give up on you, maybe for some of you. But Aquarius, you do not need to worry because there is something positive coming in your life today. So you may be having some troubles or some worries or some addictions or whatever it is, whatever hardships you are facing. There is something that is going to change the way things are today. So some positive changes are coming towards you, are reaching you. It may be some offers in your work or some changes in this relationship. Maybe something is changing their mind and they are going to come back to you, guys. And maybe they want to give it one more try with you. And some positive changes or positive things are going to unfold for you, guys, Aquarius, in your life today. So though you may feel you would have felt a lot of stress for some time now, but there are some changes, positive changes reaching you very soon, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So Any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned, and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly, and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you're cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.